How would you feel if your son or daughter wanted to pray at school but couldn't? If you want to know how to tackle this problem, then watch this video. It's a common problem. Are children wanting to pray at school but having nowhere to do so? The Islamophobia Response Unit has helped with numerous such cases and has now produced an easy read guide available on our website. In this video, we will look at how to approach this issue with your child's school. Firstly, understand how providing a multi-faith prayer space is beneficial to all children and helps nurture healthy religious identities and improve confidence. Secondly, understand the law in this area. There are 3 pieces of law you should know about. Number 1, the Equality Act 2010. This means that schools cannot unlawfully discriminate against pupils because of their religion and belief and other characteristics. Number 2, Public Sector Equality Duty. This was introduced by the Equality Act. This means public bodies like schools must advance equality of opportunity between those who share a protected characteristic, like being Muslim, and those who don't. The Department for Education's own guidance on this for schools says this includes taking steps to meet the particular needs of people who have a particular characteristic, for example, enabling Muslim pupils to pray at prescribed times. Number 3, Article 9 of the Human Rights Act 1998, which is freedom of thought, belief and religion, and which protects your right to wear religious clothing and take part in religious worship. So now you see, providing prayer spaces for students is not a favour that the school is doing you, it is your legal right. Of course, this does not mean you can just go in and demand this from your school. The approach has to be polite and sensitive. So here are the steps you can take. Number 1, read your school's policies and guidelines on this, for example, those on pastoral care and well-being. Number 2, make an appointment to see the head teacher, perhaps with 1 or 2 other parents for support. Number 3, explain why it is important to your child and how it will help them. Number 4, state the law above, particularly the obligations of the school under the Public Sector Equality Duty. Number 5, state any relevant school policies and procedures on this. Number 6, emphasize that the multi-faith prayer space will benefit all pupils, not just Muslim ones. And lastly, number 7, help them with practical advice on how to create this in the school. What if you have spoken with your school and they still haven't agreed to create a prayer space? Then you can contact the Islamophobia Response Unit, who have dealt with similar cases. We hope you found this guidance useful and you are successful in your discussions with your school, inshallah.